Hi, I'm Healy Means. Welcome and welcome back to my channel where we judge products, not people. Today's video is a natural hair collection product organization featuring Camille Rose. To start, I have 2 of the 3 Camille Rose coconut water line products. I did order the 3rd product, but it sold out before I could get my hands on it. I have the penetrating hair treatment, which is a concentrated rinse out conditioner for silky soft hair. I also have the leave-in detangling hair treatment, a concentrated leave-in treatment for shiny silky soft hair. I don't have the Style Setter Hydrating Cream Deluxe, but it may be a Black Friday purchase. I have 5 of the 6 products in the Lavender Line. I have the Fresh Cleanse Shampoo Detangling and Moisturizing Hair Cleanser, the Quench Deep Conditioner Moisturizing Hair Mask, the Whipped Cream Leave-In Intense Moisturizing Leave-In Cream, the Crush Defining Gel Lavender Infused Hair Gel crafted for definition and extra hold, and the Shaken Hair Spritzer Conditioning Hair Refresher and Detangling Spray. Now what I don't have is the Edge Glaze Smoothing and Conditioning Edge Gel. I'm not really an edge gel person, but again, it may be a Black Friday purchase. Now here is what I call the pink line. I know it's a lot of different products with a lot of different formulas, but all of the labels are pink. I have the sulfate-free Sweet Ginger Cleansing Rinse with castor and aniseed oil. It loves all curl types and textures and contains Asian ginger, nourishing essential oils, and castor seeds, specifically infused for moisture retention and slip. I have the Clean Rinse Moisturizing and Clarifying Shampoo with honey and peppermint. It's a minty aromatic clarifying cleanser, pH balanced to deliver ultimate cleansing and moisturizing benefits. The Cream Restore Conditioning Cleanser has coconut and argan oil. It's a moisture restoring conditioner blended with nourishing oils to seal in softness. I have the Soilicious Curl Enhancing Conditioner with jojoba oil and honey. It's a rich emollient cleanser with a warm scent of buttery vanilla created to moisturize highly textured tresses. But my question is, so is this a co-wash or a rinse out conditioner? I'm confused. The Moroccan Pear Conditioning Custard with Moroccan Pear and Cherry Kernel Oil says that it loves all hair types and textures. Jansen's Moisture Max Conditioner with coconut milk and aloe vera. I haven't heard too much about this one. I have heard about this one though. The Algae Renew Deep Conditioning Mask with cocoa and mango butter. A vitamin packed moisturizing and strengthening treatment infused with blue-green algae. And you see I have the naturals and the new formula. Curl Love Moisture Milk with rice milk and macadamia oil. It loves all curl types and textures. It's natural milks, oils, and butters to nourish, moisturize, and elongate dry, withdrawn curls. Then the ever famous Curl Maker with marshmallow and agave leaf extract. Now the naturals label says love all curls, coils, and textures. This curling jelly will eliminate frizz, moisturize, and define curls the natural way. Then the new label says a sweet defining jelly enriched with smoothing marshmallow and agave extracts. Anybody notice a difference? I also have a couple butters and a butter gel. First, I have the Almond Joy Twisting Butter with sweet almond milk and honey. Loves curls, coils, and transitioners. I also have the Curl-Aid Moisture Butter with green tea and jojoba. Loves all curl types and transitioners. And then I have the Aloe Whipped Butter Gel with aloe vera and macadamia oil. And again, loves all curl types and transitioners. Now here I'm just showing how I organize my products. This is one of 2 Billy bookshelves in a birch color. I got it from IKEA for $69. These are about 7 feet tall, and I use the top as well as each of the 6 shelves. The first thing I do is put a liner on the shelf, and it's just to protect against spills, any kind of, damage to the bookshelf itself. And I just got it from the Dollar Tree. You can buy them by the roll. Because I like to see all of my products, and this really helps me to identify what I have and don't have, I bought these 3-tier expandable racks and shelf organizers from Amazon. You get 2 in a pack for $20. I just checked though, and they said that they're sold out, but see what you can get. I like those shelves because I can store extras of what I have of a particular brand or line under the shelf, and it gives me space so I can, I try to display just one of each type of product that I have. So if I have extras, I can store them underneath these shelf organizers. And then this is just me showing, how much I can fit under the shelf. And then I just go ahead and put the shelf on top of those extras. Then I still have more extras, so I go ahead and I use the space on the side, and then I put the extras of whatever I have, on the side. And then after that, I just start loading up the shelves. I start with the back row, and I line up, as much as I can across. It depends on how many products I have, in a brand or a line. I usually put, 4, but sometimes I have to squeeze in 5, per row, like you see in this case. And this is the first row complete, and then I just continue with the process. So what I want to say about Camille Rose is that I have not tried any Camille Rose product at all. I've watched a lot of YouTube videos. I have, read and heard a lot of reviews. People have, different opinions on what works for them, what doesn't, what they like, what they don't like. I don't have any opinion on any of these products because I haven't tried any of them yet. I am definitely a deep conditioner person, but when I do my wash days, I try to use 4 types of products in a line. I do prefer at this time to use products by the line. So I select a cleanser, either a deep conditioner or a conditioner, a rinse out conditioner, sometimes both, a moisturizer or leave-in, and then a styler. So those 4, type products are what I like to use for my wash day. But when I come across product lines that don't have all 4, then I have to see, okay, what am I going to use? Here I pretty much have filled up, all 4, areas, and I still have a couple extras. So then I just go ahead and stack those products up, on the top, in the front. I squeeze them in wherever I can, because I try to put all of the products I have for a particular brand in the one cubicle. So this is my Camille Rose product stash. What do you think I should try first? And then if I use the coconut water line, what do I cleanse my hair with? Another Camille Rose product or something else? So this is the complete stash, but let me get your opinion. What are your favorite Camille Rose products? And then have you tried the coconut water line? I heard a little bit about it, and then it kind of just dropped off the Camille Rose radar. And then for the lavender line, I heard some people say that the lavender was either too faint, too strong. It was like fake lavender. And as far as like the difference between the Camille Rose Naturals and then now the Camille Rose formulas, is there any difference? And then the final thing I want to say is that I appreciate each and every one of you for viewing, commenting, and subscribing. My channel is only like 6 months old. I have less than 20 subscribers, but I'm motivated and I'm ready to push out more videos. Thank you for watching. I hope you enjoyed it.